Just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Monday, August 24th, 2026. Opening brief. Hey, what's good my traveling fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in Travel Channel hosting. Baby, Monday came outside with laptops cooking, somebody wandering onto an airfield, one cabin hygiene emergency from the pits of hell, a chemical booty bomb, and Britain's trains temporarily forgetting they had jobs. Monday barely clocked in and already needs supervision. Let's brew this tea. First brief. Somebody's laptop started cooking at 30,000 feet. What that blue said to Rattles was, a passenger's laptop caught fire aboard American Airlines Flight 2398 as it approached Dallas-Fort Worth from Atlanta. The crew contained it, the plane landed safely, and one passenger was treated and released. Baby, that laptop said. Forget Microsoft Office, I'm opening a damn Waffle House. Flight attendants came to serve beverages and ended up joining the Geek Squad tactical unit. If your computer starts smoking on a plane, baby, that is not the time to finish the spreadsheet. Second brief. One airport intruder had Manchester playing musical Runways. What that blue said to Rattles was, someone entered Manchester Airport's restricted airfield, forcing a brief pause in operations. Several arriving flights were diverted, others circled, and police made an arrest. One unauthorized field trip had airplanes circling Manchester like folks hunting for parking at Walmart on Saturday. Baby, wherever you're trying to walk to, somebody probably sells a ticket there. Get your ass off the runway. Third brief. AirAsia had a hygiene emergency nobody ordered. What that blue said to Rattles was, AirAsia confirmed an unusual hygiene issue aboard flight AK-1516 shortly before landing. Reports said a passenger became ill and soiled part of the cabin. Crew members contained the area, and the aircraft received additional cleaning afterward. Now listen, somebody getting sick ain't the joke. But being trapped in a metal tube while the cabin smelled like Satan's septic tank. Baby, everybody's nose filed an emergency landing request. Folks was breathing through shirts, prayer, and childhood memories. Travel tip of the day. Keep laptops and power banks where you can reach them, not buried in checked luggage. If a device overheats, swells, smokes, or smells strange, stop using it and alert the crew. Baby, if your charger starts smelling like burnt eyebrows, unplug that demon immediately. Fourth brief. Avianca said that sting bomb foolishness cost a whole year. What that blue said to Rattles was, Avianca and a Colombian content creator reached an agreement over a chemical sting device activated aboard a Bogota to Madrid flight. He agreed not to fly Avianca for 1 year and apologized, while maintaining the activation was accidental. Imagine losing airline privileges because manufactured as entered international airspace. Baby, the views disappear tomorrow. But 12 months is 12 months. That smell left the cabin faster than the consequences did. Fifth brief. Britain plugged the trains back in. What that blue said to Rattles was, CrossCountry restored its full Monday schedule after a Birmingham control center power outage wiped out most of its Sunday network. Travelers were still advised to check before leaving. One building lost electricity and trains across Britain said, well, guess none of us coming in. That control center carrying the network like the auntie who cooks, decorates, fixes everybody's plate, and breaks up the fight at the reunion. Lose auntie, and the whole function collapses. Sixth brief. Monday travelers got homework. What that blue said to Rattles was, with planes, trains, technology, and airport operations all acting unpredictable, travelers should keep checking official updates before heading out. Baby, today is not the day to freestyle transportation. Check the app. Check the airport. Check the train. Then check it again. Because Monday information got commitment issues. Closing brief. That's Monday's tea. Laptops started cooking, an airfield walker redirected planes, cabin funk attacked innocent noses, a sting device earned consequences, Britain plugged the trains back in, and travelers got assigned homework. breathtakinglagoon.com is back up and running. Slide through for travel inspiration and available deals. I'm Rattles. Check them alerts, keep electronics where you can reach, charge that phone, buckle your ass up. And stop trusting Monday transportation like everybody came to work emotionally stable. Peace. Rattles out.
Alright babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print. Don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye. And remember, no report on weekends.